Hello, I'm Pickett County Commissioner Patti Clapper. I've been part of this community for 40 years. My son Trevor and my daughter Tracy were born and raised in Aspen, and their children, my grandchildren, were born and are being raised here in the Roaring Fork Valley. When I first ran for public office in 1998, one of the primary reasons why I did so was to protect the quality of life in our valley for my children's generation, for their children's generation, and beyond. And today, in my 18th year serving as a Pickett County Commissioner, during the public health pandemic crisis we are all facing, I find myself even more protective of the quality of life throughout our valley. Clearly, the impacts of this pandemic are not limited to public health issues. It's also impacting the mental, social, and economic health of our community now and into the future. We, as county commissioners, are responsible for the county as a whole: the airport, the landfill, the library, land use, elections, property taxes, environmental protection, open space, our roads and bridges, and so much more. It is important for you to know that the state of Colorado gives decision-making authority in a pandemic like this one to public health department directors and to county boards of health. However, as county commissioners, we have a fiduciary responsibility to collect and to wisely spend your taxpayer dollars. At times we feel like we're caught between a rock and a hard place when making difficult public health funding decisions, while balancing the impact those decisions have on our organization and the economic health of the community at large. As you can imagine, the overall health of our community is also very closely connected to its economic health. I have heard from local businesses, some new with very little, if any, margin to survive a shutdown, and longtime businesses who doubt even they will be able to survive a prolonged and gradual reopening. The ability of our local community to recover from this pandemic crisis is not going to be a matter of years. It may well be a matter of, if forever. We are being told that we will be dealing with health impacts related to this virus for 12 to 18 months. What we are not being told is that we will be dealing with economic impacts related to this virus for years, again, if not forever. And yes, of course, our community has rallied. It has gone above and beyond with generous donations. Pickett County, the City of Aspen, and Snowmass Village have collectively created a multi-million-dollar financial assistance fund. Local nonprofits, along with private donors, have stepped up to help fill the gaps. Local food banks have gone above and beyond the call of duty. Local residents have been making face coverings. Neighbors have been checking in with neighbors to see if they're okay and to ask if they need anything from the grocery store, the pharmacy, the hardware store. People who have never had to ask for help before, people who are now in need of help, are receiving much needed financial assistance for basics like food, utilities, gas and prescription medications, and even for rent. Generous unemployment packages and federal stimulus payments have helped many. Paycheck Protection Program funds are helping employers cover their employees for a limited amount of time until they can gradually reopen. Yes, our community and other programs have been generous, but this generosity is not sustainable. What we must do to get our community up and running again, the only way we can safely do that is to strictly adhere to the 5 commitments of containment and encourage everyone we know to do the same. In closing, please keep your social distancing. Please wear a face mask. Please wash your hands. Please stay at home if you're sick, and even more, if you have any COVID-19 symptoms, please contact your local primary care physician and get tested. If you have any questions or want any further information, you can go to the county website at pitkincounty.com. The homepage provides you with direct links to COVID-specific information. And if you want to contact the county commissioners, click on Departments for Board of County Commissioners, and this will provide you with the information you need to contact each and every one of us. So it is with my thanks. I want to thank this community for all that you have done and all that I know we're going to have to continue to do. So stay well, stay safe, and please stay home if you're not feeling well. Thank you.